To use Circle to Search on Realme Note 70T, all you have to do is press and hold your finger on the home button in case you use 3 buttons for navigation. And after a second or two, you should be able to open this Google layout. And if you use gestures for navigation, then you have to press and hold your finger on the navigation handlebar that we have at the bottom of the screen. Once you are there, you should be able to search for anything that you select. So you can either draw a shape around the subject that you're looking for example, like this, or you can also just simply tap on the subject as well. So for example, like this. And there we go. And we have Google search results. You can try to find some similar results. You can also go to products, visual matches, and about this image. And in case the circle to search is not working, for some reason, if you press and hold your finger on the home button or the navigation handle and it doesn't work, then we can open settings. Let me actually go back. In settings, you want to scroll all the way down and go to system and update. Then over here, open system navigation, and you want to make sure that circle to search over here is enabled. Besides the searching by image, there is also an option that allows you to listen to the song. Well, the smartphone is listening to the song that is being played in the background somewhere, and you can get the song title out of it. So this is pretty much a music recognition feature. And there is also screen translation. So if you have a page, website, open, anything that is in a foreign language, then you should be able to tap on this button, and then you have the detected language and the target language. So you can choose to which language it should be translated to. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.